Ever gazed at images of Uranus or Neptune and wondered why these distant ice giants glow with such a stunning blue hue? Or perhaps you've noticed the crisp blue flame on your gas stove and pondered its origin? The answer to both these captivating observations lies with a single, remarkable molecule, methane. Today, we're diving into the fascinating science of how methane interacts with light to create that distinctive blue color. First, let's remember that visible light is a spectrum, encompassing all the colors from red to violet. The color we perceive an object to be depends on which wavelengths of light it absorbs and which it reflects or transmits. Methane, with its specific molecular structure, is a master of selective absorption. It doesn't just reflect blue light, it actively removes other colors from the light spectrum. When sunlight, which contains all visible colors, streams through a methane-rich atmosphere, like those surrounding Uranus and Neptune, something extraordinary happens. The methane molecules are particularly efficient at absorbing the longer wavelength red and yellow components of the light. They essentially filter out these warmer colors. What's left to be scattered back into space and seen by our eyes? Predominantly the shorter wavelength blue and green light, giving these planets their iconic azure appearance. This selective absorption isn't magic, it's pure physics. Methane molecules have specific vibrational and rotational energy states that precisely match the energy of photons in the red and yellow parts of the spectrum. When these photons encounter methane, their energy is absorbed, causing the molecules to vibrate more intensely. Blue photons, however, don't match these energy states as well, so they largely pass through or are scattered without significant absorption. This fundamental interaction is also why a pure, efficient methane flame appears blue. The complete combustion produces excited molecular fragments that emit blue light